Hello and welcome to Video Jug. We're going to show you how to make butter and raisin buns. Step 1. You'll need the following ingredients to serve 2 people. 600 grams of flour, 12 grams of salt, 95 grams of sugar, 60 grams of butter, 12 grams of fresh yeast, 300 millilitres of water, 100 grams of raisins chopped, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for garnishing, and 1 tablespoon of rock salt for garnishing. For the egg wash, 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of milk beaten together. Here is a handy list with all the ingredients. You'll also need the following utensils: a mixer with a hook attachment, some wax paper, a baking tray, a knife, a brush and a tea towel. Step 2. Combine the ingredients. Begin by introducing the flour into the mixing bowl. Then add the sugar, salt, fresh yeast, butter and water. Then lower the hook attachment into the bowl and start by slowly blending the ingredients for roughly 4 minutes. If the dough looks dry, don't be tempted to add water. It will become the correct texture after a few minutes. After approximately 4 minutes, turn up the blending speed and let it mix again for 3 more minutes. In the final minute, add the raisins and mix once more for the final 60 seconds. Then switch off the mixer. Remove any dough stuck to the hook and take away the bowl. Step 3. Remove and rest. Take out the dough from the bowl and using your hands, mould it into a big ball. Sprinkle over some flour and cover with a clean tea towel and let it rest for a few minutes before cutting. A useful tip: dough is very elastic when worked with and needs to be rested for a few minutes. It will become much easier to work with after it's rested. Step 4. Cut the dough. Remove the tea towel and with a large knife cut the ball of dough into half. Sprinkle flour over one half, knead it a little, and then cut into small slices. Then take 1 slice and begin to roll it into a ball by using the palm of your hand and your thumb and fingers to mould it into shape. Repeat until all the dough is used to make roughly 16 balls. Step 5. Prepare for baking. Having lined a baking tray with wax paper, sprinkle over some flour and then individually arrange the balls of dough into rows on the baking tray. Make sure that there's enough room between each one for expansion during the cooking process. Then brush them generously with the beaten egg mixture. Then taking the sesame seeds, sprinkle them over the top. Followed by some rock salt. Finally, using a very sharp knife or a razor blade, cut 2 diagonal lines into the dough of each ball. Step 6. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees centigrade or gas mark 5. Step 7. Allow the dough to rise. While the oven is warming up, cover the tray with a clean tea towel and let the buns rise. This will take roughly 1 hour in a warm kitchen. Another useful tip: place the dough overnight in the fridge to improve the flavour, then allow to rise and bake as normal. Step 8. Bake. Place the tray into the preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes. And remove from the oven after this time. However, if you'd like them browner, brush with the beaten egg 5 minutes before you take them out of the oven. Step 9. Serve. You can eat these hot or cold with lashings of butter or marmalade and a nice cup of tea. And that's how to make butter and raisin buns the video jug way. Enjoy!